Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're discussing managing diabetes through diet. Diabetes affects millions worldwide. It's marked by high blood sugar levels, leading to health complications. Diet plays a crucial role in managing diabetes. A balanced diet helps regulate blood sugar and improve health. We'll explore 8 superfoods beneficial for diabetes. Let's start with a true superfood: blueberries. These little berries are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Blueberries are also a great source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your gut, slowing sugar absorption. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool and promotes regular bowel movements. Blueberries are delicious, versatile, and great for a diabetes-friendly diet. Next up, we have another nutritional powerhouse: spinach. This leafy green is low in calories but packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants. Spinach is a great source of vitamin K, vitamin A, and magnesium. Its low glycemic index makes it ideal for diabetes management. Enjoy it in salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish. Spinach is a delicious way to support your health. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with fiber, they help regulate blood sugar levels. They're also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids for heart health. Sprinkle them on yogurt, add to smoothies, or make chia pudding. Moving on to another delicious and nutritious option: Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt has been strained to remove most of the whey, resulting in a thicker, creamier texture and a higher protein content. Protein is digested more slowly than carbohydrates, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Additionally, Greek yogurt is a good source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that live in your gut. Probiotics have been shown to improve gut health, which is important for overall health and may even play a role in blood sugar regulation. Looking for a healthy and satisfying snack? Look no further than almonds. These nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and magnesium. Healthy fats, like those found in almonds, can help slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those dreaded blood sugar spikes. Magnesium, on the other hand, plays a crucial role in blood sugar control. Studies have shown that people with type 2 diabetes often have lower levels of magnesium, and increasing magnesium intake may help improve insulin sensitivity. Avocado is another excellent source of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health and better blood sugar control. Like almonds, avocados are also rich in fiber, which slows down the digestion of carbohydrates and helps regulate blood sugar levels. But what makes avocado truly special is its versatility. You can enjoy it in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or even as a healthy substitute for mayonnaise or sour cream. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that's well known for its health benefits. It's packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it an excellent addition to any diet, but especially beneficial for those with diabetes. Broccoli is particularly high in a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and blood sugar-lowering effects. Additionally, broccoli's high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. Enjoy broccoli steamed, roasted, or even raw as a healthy snack. Finally, let's talk about cinnamon, a spice that not only adds warmth and flavor to your dishes, but also offers potential benefits for blood sugar control. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means it helps your body use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that cinnamon may also slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates in your gut, further aiding in blood sugar regulation. You can easily incorporate cinnamon into your diet by adding it to your coffee, oatmeal, yogurt, or even savory dishes. So there you have it, 8 incredible superfoods that can be powerful allies in your journey to manage diabetes effectively. Remember, a healthy diet is an essential part of managing diabetes, and incorporating these superfoods into your meals and snacks can make a world of difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.